Hey guys, today we're going to do an introduction into some multiplication. I know that the thought of doing multiplication can be a little bit scary, but I want us to think about it like addition. So here's where we're going to start. I have a problem, 3 times 2. Okay, we're going to use counters to help us figure out this problem. 3 times 2. Okay, I have some counters here, and my partner here, Zachary, is going to help me count. The first thing we need to do is we need to make 3 groups, okay? And each group is going to have 2. So here's 1 group,
2 group,
3 groups, and now I need to make sure I have 2 in each group.
Yeah.
So, do I have 2 in each group now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 3 groups, 3, and each group has 2 in it, 2. Now let's count and see how many we have all together. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So my answer to 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? All right, let's try our next one, okay? I'm going to set those to the side. The next one we're going to try is 6 times 1. This means we're going to have 6 groups, and each group is going to have 1 in it, okay? We need 6 groups. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, do I have 6 groups? Yes.
Yes.
Do I have 1 in each group?
Yes.
Okay, now how many do I have all together? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So 6 times 1 equals 6. So when I'm looking at multiplication, the first number is going to tell me how many groups, and the second number is how many is in each group. All right, let's try another one. This one we're going to do is 3 times 3.
Yeah.
That means
3 and 3.
That means we need to have 3 groups, and each group needs to have 3.
Yep.
So I'm going to start with 3 groups,
1, 2, 3.
and now I need to make sure each group has 3. So
Yep.
there's 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Here's 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
And there's 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and each group has 3 inside of it. Now, let's count them all together and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 times 3 equals
9.
9. Okay? You can see this is just like addition. Multiplication and addition are pretty much the same thing. Multiplication is just repeat addition. So I did 3
Yep.
plus 3 plus
Yep.
3,
Yep.
which is the same as 3 times 3. Let's do another one. Here I have 4 times 2. So I'm going to have 4 groups.
Yep.
Each group has 2.
Yep.
Okay, so 1
1,
group,
2
2 groups, 3
3
groups, 4
4
groups.
groups.
Now I need to put 2 in each.
Yep.
1, 2,
2,
1, 2,
1, 2,
1, 2,
1, 2.
1, 2. Now we'll add them all together.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, and we'll do one more. I just want to show you guys so you can get the hang of this. I'm using little buttons for counters, but you can really use anything you have at home. You could use beads, you could use forks and spoons, you could use little toys. You could really use whatever you have, if you have marbles or race cars or whatever. Okay, for our last example, we're going to do 3 times 4. So I need to have 3 groups, and each group needs to have 4 in it. So I'm going to start with my groups. 1, 2, 3 groups, and then I'm going to make sure each one has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to count all of them together because I have 3 groups and each group has 4. So
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
No.
5,
1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 1.
No. Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14.
Well, let's try it one more time. You ready? 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12.
12.
Okay? I'm going to give you some problems to do, and I want you to use something as a counter. Like I said, you can use beads, you could use little toys that you have. They don't all have to be the same thing. I could have had different colors that were all together like this, and I still could have done 3 groups, and each group had 4 in it. So they didn't all have to be the same color, so that's fine. But I want to see what you guys use, okay? So hopefully this made sense, and this will be a good, easy way for you guys to start multiplication. I'll talk to you later.